Thought I had a groundhog underneath my shed, and they're a lot nicer. But unfortunately, it was a raccoon. And this one's not very happy. But my wife actually came up with this idea. When you open the cage up, you have to get pretty close down there. And I have this string there, already there. So once you unlock it, you just pull the top up. But if you put a pitchfork in there, you can see it blocks the animal. So, you know, you stay protected and the animal stays protected, of course. And then once you get the door open, you just pull this pitchfork out, right? And let the animal just go free. You know, and you can do it at a safe distance from your truck or your bed or from a couple feet away. But this really is really good. Also, it's really good to carry the cage as well. It's really real nice. You don't have to get too close to the cage. So get a pitchfork. Don't hurt the animal, but protect yourself, protect the animal. Everyone will be happy. Safe release.